TUAFALE TANOA'I is my name. People know me as Linda T, so that's the outgoing performance name. I am a performance video installation artist, so I'm a documenter, I'm a DJ.
Yeah, so can you tell me about your your creative process during the Fale-ship residency?
To describe it in one word is intense. Intense in that I've got 200, 300 gigabytes of data. If any of yous work computers, you'll know how big that is. That's a lot. So I've counted maybe 6,000 to 7,000 files. But yeah, my home studio is blimmin' exciting, and I was like, this whole project's really exciting to me. So, and I'm sure for everyone else too.
So that's like, so your space right now is kind of like one of your highlights?
Oh yeah, totally. Yes, totally. For us to showcase our lived experience is it's an important thing. Like this Chasing Chaka, a healing investment, my project. I mean, it's an example of a dream lived experience.